Most people think productivity looks like drinking raw eggs at 4 a.m., taking ice baths, and grinding until your hairline recedes. That isn't being productive. That is just having a panic attack with a salary. Real productivity, dangerous productivity, is different. It's the art of getting everything done while looking like you're doing absolutely nothing. It's making your competition look at you and ask, how is he winning when he's napping? If you want to stop being a hustle bro and start actually getting results, you need to understand 3 principles that will make you dangerously efficient without burning out like a cheap candle. Principle number 1, the fake work addiction. I know exactly what you do. You sit down to work, and the first thing you do is spend an hour planning to work. You organize your Notion template. You color code your calendar. You clean your desktop icons because a clean space is a clean mind. Congratulations, you are now the CEO of doing nothing. This is called productivity theater. It feels like work, but it's actually procrastination wearing a suit. You are addicted to the feeling of being busy, not the result of being done. Dangerous people don't prepare. They eat the frog. They identify the one task that makes them want to vomit, the scary one, and they do that first. If you haven't done the scary thing, you haven't worked today. You've just been clicking buttons. Stop optimizing your to-do list and just do the first thing on it. Principle number 2, weaponized incompetence. If you want to be productive, you have to be kind of a jerk. The most dangerous productivity tool isn't an AI app or a second brain. It's the word no. Here is the trap. If you are good at things that don't matter, guess what your reward is? More of things that don't matter. If you're good at checking emails instantly, people send you more emails. If you're good at organizing meetings, you become the meeting guy. You need to use weaponized incompetence. Be dangerously bad at low-value tasks. Be slow at emails. Be useless at scheduling. Be terrible at small talk. Force the universe to stop asking you to do busy work so you can focus on the work that actually gets you paid. You are not a machine. You have limited energy. Every time you say yes to a dumb task, you are saying no to your actual goals. Stop being a side character in everyone else's movie. Principle number 3, the sniper versus the machine gun. Average people treat work like a machine gun. They spray effort everywhere. 100 tiny tasks, 50 emails, 12 meetings, 3 side hustles. They make a lot of noise, but they hit absolutely nothing. Dangerous productivity is a sniper shot. You don't need to do more. You need to do less, but better. Look at your list. 80% of it is garbage. If your goal is to grow a business, making your bed doesn't matter. Responding to hate comments doesn't matter. Making a good product matters. Everything else is just noise. Stop spraying bullets. Pick the one target that actually moves the needle, take the shot, and then go home. That is how you win. Productivity isn't about filling your time. It's about freeing your time. If you watch this whole video and you're about to click on another video called Top 10 AI Tools for 2026, you have learned nothing. You are procrastinating again. Close this video. Go do the one scary thing you're avoiding. And subscribe, or I'll come over there and mess up your Notion template. Get to work.